Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be looking at the FNO scanner in the web version. Clicking on three horizontal lines, selecting Analytics, then selecting FNO scanner. Or you can also search here FNO scanner. Moving towards the FNO scanner helps in scanning the data based on price change, OI change and the IV change. Further, this tool gives the information about the OI, price, strike price, type of option and expiry of a particular index or stock, and it also gives the information regarding the built-up in that particular strike. Moving ahead, you can also select the instrument type, that is future or option, or you can select all. Let's take option. Then you have a type of option in which you can select call, put or all. Let's take call. Then you can select expiry. Let's take monthly expiry. Then you can also filter the data based on price change, OI change and the IV change. Let's take change in price by 10%, change in OI by 20% and change in IV by 5%. Now we'll apply the input. As we can see, there is only one instrument, that is India Bulls Housing Finance, with a strike price of 160, call option, expiring on 29th October. The current price is 9.95 and the price has changed by 76%, OI has changed by 187% and IV has changed by 21.36%. The output we have here is based on the inputs we have applied here. Further, we can also see the build-up going on this strike. Lastly, in the same way, you can also select your instrument, type of option if you have selected option, then expiry, and then can customize the data as per your accordance. Further, it also helps in decision making by picking strike where significant activity is taking place. Thank you.